Hello, my name is Giancarlo Anfuso, and I'm a PhD student studying biostatistics at Drexel University. I'm also a research fellow at Drexel's Urban Health Collaborative, where I served as a co-author on the paper Geospatial Data Aggregation Methods for Novel Geographies, validating congressional district life expectancy estimates. In this paper, we validated recent research that aggregated census tract level estimates of life expectancy to the congressional district level. We did so by comparing two approaches of estimating congressional district level life expectancy in Pennsylvania. The first approach is what we referred to as the decimetric method. Here, we used census tract level estimates of life expectancy from the U.S. Small Area Life Expectancy Estimates Project, otherwise known as LEAP, to compute population-weighted estimates of life expectancy that were then aggregated to the congressional district level. In our second approach, which is what we referred to as the direct estimation method, we used individual level vital statistics death data, which were then aggregated to the congressional district level, along with American Community Survey population estimates at the congressional district level, and decennial census population counts at the congressional district level to calculate life expectancy by congressional district. We compared the two approaches by computing summary statistics for each approach, computing Pearson and Spearman correlation coefficients for each approach, and generating Bland-Altman plots, which allow us to visually examine differences and agreements between the life expectancy approaches and to help identify potential systemic bias in the decimetric method. Results showed that the two approaches were similar. Median estimates were slightly lower and the interquartile range was slightly more narrow in the decimetric estimates as compared with the direct estimates, 79.01 versus 79.27 years. The estimates were strongly correlated in both Pearson and Spearman coefficients. And the Bland-Altman analysis showed that there was a small mean difference between the two approaches, but there was no systemic deviation. Limitations included the fact that we were unable to geocode about 2.72% of deaths, and therefore these deaths could not be incorporated into the direct life expectancy estimates. We also only had a total of 18 observations for each method because there's 18 congressional districts in Pennsylvania, and therefore we had a limited sample size available for correlation and regression analyses. In terms of importance, this showed us that health outcomes, such as life expectancy, estimated in small areas, can be aggregated to larger geographies. However, when you're doing so, it is important to note that the validity of these measures may depend on the underlying modeling process and model covariates, their applicability to target geographies, and the collapsibility of each specific health outcome. Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoy our article.